Hey guys, welcome back to Oak Grove Truck and 4x4. I have this 2016 GMC Denali 1500, 57,000 on the miles. I want to give you a quick walk around on her. It's got the chrome package, 20-inch wheels, 6.2 liter motor. It's got Michelin tires in fantastic shape. Premium wheels, running boards. Let's continue walking around with you. It's got the rear step bumper. It does have a bed liner in the vehicle. Rear parking sensors. It's got tow package with a 7-pin and a 4-pin. It's got nice exhaust. Beautiful truck, ready to sell. It's been through a mechanical inspection and a Missouri State inspection. Finish up this front end with you. Great, let me take you inside the vehicle. Hey folks, welcome back. We're inside of this 16 Denali 1500. Want to go over all of the options with you. As you can see, it does have navigation, dual climate control, heated and cooled seats, downhill ascent assist, lane departure warning, parking sensors, adjustable foot pedals, Bluetooth. You can hook up 2 USBs to it. It has a house plug, cordless charging port, tow package with 6-speed adjustable transmission. It's got Bluetooth steering controls, heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, built-in electric trailer brakes, 4x4, seat memory positions, power steering, power locks. Kind of go over this. Seats are in fantastic shape. She does have a sunroof. And the rear glass is a power slider. If you guys are in the market for a really nice Denali, don't want to pay the brand new price on it, but like something super clean, give me a call, 816-281-5985. This will look great in your driveway.